За FC 26 менежер модод эргэн тавтаа морилно уу? GS United page иймхүү бичлэгээ үргэлжлүүлсээр байна. За дөрөвчөө удаа Everton-ыг хоцсноор өндөрлсөн байгаа. За энэ удаа бид нэр Crystal Palace гэртээ хүлээж авч тоглуулна. За ингээд 3 сар руугаа ер нь бол орж байгаа юм байна. За тэгээд Newcastle очиж тоглоно. За нэг сонирхолтой байх болно. За Aston Villa-тай тоглоно гэртээ. Тэгээ Bournemouth. За ингээд тун дажгүй боломжийн дунд жим тоглолтууд үргэлжлэх юм байна. Тэрний дараа Leeds United, Chelsea, Brentford, fucking Liverpool, Sunderland, Nottingham Forest. За ингээд одоогийн байдлаар бид дараагийн 3 бичлэгээр ерөнхийдөө энэ удаагийн менежер модыг бол одоо дуусгаж болохоор байна. Тийм болохоор юу ч хүлээлтгүйгээр шууд эхэлцгээ залуусаа. За өнөөдөр хамгийн нэгдүгээрт Рубен Аморимын хувцсыг солих болно. За бид нар бол бас энэ үйлрэлд өөрсдөө хинбэ гэдгийг харуулах ёстой. Тодорхой хэмжээний эргэн эргэлтийг бол хийхийг хүсэж байна. За Аморимын гутлаас нэг хэссэн нэр юм болоо гэж бодож байна. Манай хүн бол дандаа цагаан гутал өмсдөг. Ерөнхийдөө нэг иймэрхүү цагаан гутал өмсөд байгаа. За гутал бол нэг иймэрхүү дөө. Socks white. Тэр нь юу байд юм бэ? За Аморим иймэрхүү дэл өмсөх бах та. Арай л тайт уу. Инхээр арай гангстер болчих гэж юм сте. Manchester United менежер бас жоохон юу ахс өөртөө ихтэй албан ёсны байх хэвээр гэж бодож байна. За. Гэтэ үндэ яг ямар шүү болох вэ гэдгээ бол бодоогүй л ороод ирсэн байна. За, сүйт өмсөж үзэх юм аа. It looks okay. Одоо бол нэг юм хүүдийтэй байна. Тэрийг бол нэг өөрчлөе доо гэж бол бодсон. За ингээ Pep Guardiola хувцуулаарай гэсэн баха. Яа манай хүн бол бас дажгүй. Сүт бол зөгтгөл юм байна. За ингүүл бас болж байна. За ядчил юм болгоё доо. Үндтэй арай л suit pants юм байна. Тийм болохоор аргагүй юм байна. За жоохон GC харагдаж байна дөө угаасаа. This is better. Доторх өөрчлөгдөхгүй юм шүү. Black t-shirt. Пolo жоо Артета стил. За ямар хөдөл юм байт юм байна дөө тэгээд. За Дженси өмд өмснөд өгөл. Гол нь цагаан гутал, Раморин бол цагаан гутал өмсдөг. За ямар хөдөл байна. За бид нэр одоо шууд тоглолтоо эхлүүлэх болно. Crystal Palace, Offer for Luke Shaw, Heaven, Lock. За энэ минь бол одоо энэ удаагийн менежер мод логт хамаа байхгүй. Дараа нь бол дэлгэрэнгүй одоо ийм бүх юм оруулсан яг менежер өөрийн бүтээгээд шинээр хийгээд тэгээд үргэлжлүүлэх болно. Одоогийн байдлаар GS United пэйжтэй хамт байгаа та бүхэнд үнэхээр баярлалаа. Залуучуудаа комент үддээгээд яриад надад дэмжлэг өгч байгаа үнэхээр их баярлж байна. За бид нар бол зогсохгүй үргэлжлэх болно. За Crystal Palace-тай тоглох юм байна гэртээ. За манайх Ламенс гэмтсэн. За энэ их асуудал, энэ их том асуудал. За энийг л давж гарах хэрэгтэй байна. За Эмбэмо, Сэшко бүгд бол ерөөсөө супер байгаа. Дөрөвчөөд бол ерөнхийдөө нэг иймэрхүү байдалтай бол тоглосон. My God ямар ч нэг юм гол хийж чадлаа. Seshko бас маш гоё гол хийсэн даанч. Тэр гол бидний хожлын гол юм уу байж чадсангүй харамсалтай нараас нь гол алдсан. There we go. Old Trafford finally. Yes. Come on. Old Trafford. Welcome to Manchester. United. Glory, glory, Man United. That's beautiful.
What a real pleasure it is to be with you from the theatre of dreams, Old Trafford. I'm Derek Ray, in position to bring you live match commentary, and my expert analyst, as always on these occasions, is Stuart Robson.
Wow.
And it's all about action from the Premier League in this case. It is Manchester United up against Crystal Palace.
Well, we've got everything needed for a good game here. Two motivated teams, a vibrant atmosphere, and some very good players. Let's hope we're not disappointed.
Let's go, lads. Come on, boys.
The first half of this game underway.
Nice. Mbuemo right away, straight away. Cunha хүртэл уурлаа.
Lisandro Martinez.
Гайхамшигтай Mount.
Matthijs de Ligt in central defence. Bruno Fernandes plays with Casemiro in the centre of the pitch. And the tactical configuration.
За Crystal Palace бол ер нь жоохон удаан баг л та. Бас их зунгаарлцсан тоглолдог. Хамт зунгаарлж болохгүй манайх бол илүү хөдөлгөөнтэй тоглох хэрэгтэй. Daichi Kamada. За Mount өнөөдөр маш их Mount-аар их тоглох гээд байна. За тэр байрлал дээр их чухал байна. Bruno дээш нь гаргасан ч байх хөтэй. Баян дээр please. За шууд зөгчийн шүү айл бол. Их жоо хоош явдаг. There we go. За суудлаа энцлэнаа. За бэлэн байх хэрэгтэй өнөөдөр. Ерөөсөө хожигдохгүй байхыг хичээнэ. Баян дээр. Болж байна бүгдээрээ. Юу болж байна? Mount. Gomez Ravi. Okay, Cunha. Bruno Fernandes. Арай яарсан зөвхөл болчлоо. Mbuemo dus банги тасалж штэ. Just a little bit. Well done Mbuemo. Бөмбөг үнэхээр сайн тасалж байна. Таслаад байна ямар ч байсан. Again Mount. Yeah. Okay, we're better.
Matheus
Cunha. Go Bruno. Okay. Thank you very much. Mbuemo bagada. Yeah.
United were the victors against Everton.
Би яа чи нөгөө тал руугаа тоглохтой арай comfortable арай зүгээр байгаад идэм арай тухтай гэх юм уу байгаад идэв. Тэгээ United-ийн менежер мо JS United page-ийн төлөө бол бүхнийг хийн JS-ийн төлөө бол бүхнийг хийн ингээд Crystal Palace зуурсан баг л та үнэхээр зуурж байна ёо бурхан. Mbuemo дахиад 3 дахь бомбыг тасалж байна. Mount авдаг шийт байхгүй байна. Come on, wake up.
Maxence Lacroix. Daichi Kamada.
Wake up.
Jefferson Lerma. Well, it's such an eye-catching series of passes. Well, they were very patient, but they no longer have the ball.
Wow. There we go. He's outside. No, madre mia. Wow. Come on. За ингэж үзнэ. Маунтыг тэр төвд нэг л маш их хачаад дөрөвдгөө таслаа. Ёо юм байна уу? Супер юм байна уу? Well done юм байна уу? За нэг хол шиддэг мэддэг тохиргоо байхгүй. Mount
Tackling of the highest order.
What a piece of defending that was.
Бэмбэмо хурдан болохоор ч бөмбөг бол тасалж шүү, асуудалгүй байна.
Nketiah.
Мартинес 2 дахь намдлаа. За энэ Куни гаргасан болно.
Couldn't keep it.
Куниг бас центр мидээр ашиглаж бас болох юм шиг байна. Би бол тэгж бодож байна. Ашиглах хэрэгтэй ч гэж бодож байна. Ур чадвартай, бөмбөг сайн эзэмшдэг, довтлогоог эхлүүлэх чадвартай. And then there is Ahmad, beauty. Ahmad, your beauty, go. Kunya, ma. Yeah. Well done, Mazraoui. Embuemo. Why, Kazi? Casimiro! Wow, come on, guys. Today we smash. Palace we smash хэрэгтэй. Nothing against Palace. Гэхдээ we have to be better. Oh my god. Okay. Lucky. We got lucky. There is a rotation. We go rotate. Маттай юу? Вау. Хаалгаа онсон бол хин хаахгүй л дээ. Баян дээр л арай л хаахгүй. Mazraoui. За энэ жоохон бас пассал тоглох хэрэгтэй. Bruno, Ahmad Diallo. Oh, ямар гоё гол байна. Oh my god. We're knocking on the door. Oh my god, Ahmad. United.
Given away by Manchester United.
We won a lot. We won United. We're never gonna stop.
Jefferson Lerma. Kamada. Yeremy. Looking for
Yeah. Yugoslav хийсэн дээ. Kick and rush. My god. High pressing. Defensive very high. За Маунтыг ер нь суулгах юм шиг байна алдчих. Алдаа өгсөн байна. Баян дээр ёо. Well done баян дээр beauty well done. Үнэхээр
Yeremy.
хэрэгтэй.
Now got into position.
Хаалт хийсэн сайн бол яалтчгүй. Яагаад явсангүй. Attack.
1 minute of stoppage time has been
Just
added on.
one. Come on. Well done, Mount. Let us play. Нэгдүгээр үеийн сүүлээ сайхан болсон. Let us play. Ref, let us play. That's a shit iPhone. Yeremy. Who the fuck is Yeremy? Kaz is alright. Let's try. Бэмошэр карт авцсан юм байна. Come on, little Drogba, you can do it.
And you almost get the feeling it's a case of who's going to blink first. Fernandes. Mateus Cunha. Perfect tackle.
Тийш явах
Well,
хэрэггүй
they
л
might be
байсан
able
л
to
та.
launch a counter-attack. And a disappointing end to that.
Oh God. Oh God. Яа, ямар United юм ийч вэ? Damn it.
They're back level. It's 1-1 with 46 minutes played.
Thanks as always, Alex.
Oh my God.
Mark Guehi.
Зүгээр бүр бөмбөг гаргах нь хүртэл удаан багч баг шиг ёо. Тэртээ ингэ зовж болохгүй юм байгаа юм л та.
Kamada. Mark Guehi.
Майног оруулж ирсэн. Майно.
Can they deliver here?
Аа,
It's time to play it over.
Майндир.
That's handled without
Well done.
any trouble at all.
Мазрави. Скуня. Майно.
Vision there.
Just a lift.
Well, winning back possession.
Yeah, they really did look solid on that occasion. Really good defending.
There's been so much speculation in terms of whether the transfer would go ahead, but it will go ahead, Stuart.
Yeah, and at that price it seems like
Ута.
good business, doesn't it? Looking forward to seeing his debut and hopefully...
Утаар яал юм биз дээр. Аа, энэ дээр л heavy touch, too heavy.
And defensive
Тийм бол
play to be
байхгүй.
spotted.
За одоо байна да guys.
You know about
Байна да.
this game.
Come on lads.
Goal from Alex.
Come on. Табага. There you go. There we go. Yes! Bruno! Yes! Yes, Bruno! Get in.
Well, just look at how poor the
Бага байлгүй яах вэ?
defence to say, it's still a...
Хамаад ерөөсөө зүгээр
He looked really assured.
хүрээд өгчлээ. За Страффорд эндийн торыг нэгийг хөдөлгөлөө усын
The ball moving
хөдөлгөлөө.
again. What sort of response will
Манчестер
the defence now?
дандаа л байдаг шиг бороо орж байна.
Alex on there.
I know.
To confirm
We'll take that. Thank you very
the
much.
match. And they hold the aces presently, leading 2-1.
Ahmad, one more.
Very alert defending to put a stop to the chance.
Well done, well done. Come on, lads.
And Lerma. And a friendly reminder that we have more action from the Premier League.
We're getting hang of it.
It's Manchester United taking on Newcastle United.
What a game that will be. Two good teams in a great
Newcastle.
tournament. I'm really looking forward to that one.
Next. Beauty. Better. Ah. Okay. Mazraoui, no. Mazraoui change. I want Dorgu. За ямар ч бас дөрвөн хамгаалалттай систем рүү орох хэрэгтэй юм шиг байна. Holding байх хэрэгтэй баха. Build up short pass deep. Why are we always kick and rush? Play possession. I know box crusher. Defend. Bruno холбогч ийнэ. Playmaker. You know who that's gonna be, huh? We know who's coming on, huh? Oh god, yeah, there you go. Let's go, Seshko. Show us what you got, man. You're okay. Nidalo. Ahmad. Let's see for a bit. Тэгээд Ahmad Cunha хоёрыг солио. Доод зэрэгцээ. Look Shaw. It's interesting. За Казиг дараачийн тоглолт дээр ашиглахын тулд одоо эртхэн суулгасан дээр хаа. Мөн Ahmad Cunha-гийн хувьд адилхан.
Daichi Kamada. Now opening things up. Oh, that's
Nice. Martinez. Beautiful.
Mateus Cunha.
That's how you do it. Ahmad явж. Оо арай баг. Явж. Of course. Yes. Ma. Yes. Come on, Ahmad. Su. Mini Drogba. Beautiful. Тааж. Oh, бүх саб өрхөлцсөн юм уу? Oh no. I got too excited. За одоо байгаа тоглогч тэгэхээр сэлгээнээс эхлэхээр болж байгаа юм шүү. Күүний Амад энэ сэлгээнээс эхэлнэ. За. Ньюкаслтэй бол арай өөр тоглох хэрэгтэй баха. Хазард нэг West Ham United тэнд тоглолтыг зүгээр бөмбөгөө надад өгч би бүгдийг хуураад гол хийж штэ гэдэг шиг л Crystal Palace дээр бол бас 50 орлоо. Тэгээд одоогийн байдлаар дажгүй явж байгаа юм болохоор бид бол бас арай иймэрхүү дүү багтай бол тоглож чаднаа гэдгийг бол одоо мэддэг болчиход байгаа юм бол. Bruno Seshko барабацаа. Майноос дажгүй шүү. Майнуугаар эхэлж болох юм байна. Маунт энтрийн оронд. За. Бруно асуудалгүй хүүхдээ чихэр булаас юм шиг юм боллоо. Энэ бас их маягийн хайж болдгоо юм байна болно. Munoz. Lerma. Offside.
Just a bit too much on the pass.
Yeah, nearly a very good pass.
Sheshko.
Доргу, Seshko.
Oh, that's a fine-looking pass.
Ah.
And with that,
Сая хоорох байсан байхгүй Амад.
and a change to the scoreline at the end.
Ёо.
Let's join Alex Scott.
Yeah, it's a goal for Arsenal. It's now 1-0 with 80 minutes played.
Many thanks as ever, Alex.
Arsenal is winning.
Well, the threat could be there.
Ингэж гарч гэж байхгүй л дээ угаартай.
Yeremy.
Вау.
And we've entered the final 5 minutes. And Palace with the ball again.
What are you doing, man? No pressure, Seshko. No pressure.
Took a
There we
really
go.
smart piece of defending to stop them.
Well, they certainly got their defensive shape absolutely right there.
Fernandes. Dangerous ball.
There we go, Seshko. Yes. Oh no.
Good timing.
Good chance. Bruno Mainod нэг юм хэлээл.
Official confirming that we'll have 1 additional minute.
Oh, 1 minute. That's good now. Good ref. Well done.
Jefferson
Well
left.
done, ref.
And the referee blows for full time. Positives for Manchester United.
Well done.
2 points
Come
for them.
on.
What did you make of it all?
Хүмүүчээс ялалтаар эхэллээ.
Half of the course here.
Шинэ хувцастай Amorim,
They just play with so much confidence.
Crystal Palace,
Another excellent result for them.
home. За одоо дараачлаа бол Newcastle. За энэ бол бас сонирхолтой байх болно. Энэ топ агуудаа л хийж хэрэгтэй байгаа. Ливерпул 2 өжигдсөн. Тэр бол үнэхээр харамсалтай. Тийм бол дахин давтагдахгүй байх хэрэгтэй гэдэг нь бол тодорхой. За. Newcastle United. Нэр лайв хийх цагийнхаа тухай бодож байгаа. За Улаанбаатарын цагаар маргааш ер нь лайв хийх сонирхолтой байна. Бидний хувьд бол тунд ажгүй community үүсэж байгаа. За энэ community-ийн төлөө бол би Бас лайв хийн. Тэгээд мөн л хөл өмг гарах үеэр бас лайв хийж цуг байвал бас сонирхолтой байх гэж бодож байна. Тийм болохоор удахгүй лайв орж ирнэ. Энэ 7 хоногт бол орно тодорхой. За тэгээд энэ серисийн үлдэгдэл цаашид лайваар явахаар бол болж гин ерөнхийдөө бол. За тэгэхээр ч одоо манайх арай хамгаалт өндөртэй тоглолцтой байх. Гэхдээ өмнө тоглосон Ньюкаслтай жигүүрээ сайн хамгаалах хэрэгтэй. За тэрнээс гадна бол өөрөөсөө бол тоглолтыг бол гартаа авч тоглох хэрэгтэй. Тэр бол хамгийн чухал. Бас Бенжамин Сешкогоор шууд эхлэе. Зэрэг зээч байгаа, Лукс Шоч байгаа. Ламенс байхгүй байна. За нэг иймэрхүү байдалтай. Ньюкасл руу явцгаана.
Building to a crescendo all week, and very shortly it will be
The
for
tune.
you. We have all the action for you live. Hello and welcome to the northeast of England. We're here at St James's Park. I'm Derek.
We know where we are.
Position, and alongside me is the former Arsenal and West Ham midfield player Stuart Robson. And very much looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League. It's Newcastle United up against Manchester United.
When looking forward to this game, you can't help but notice there are some great matchups all over the pitch, particularly in those central areas. Whichever team wins more of those battles.
Sergio Tonali eats spaghetti, drinks Moretti. He is fucking Sunderland. Wow. Nice intro. We are ready. We are absolutely ready, lads. Let's do this. Come on, lads. We can do it. Fuck Newcastle. We can do it.
The lineup for Manchester United. Lisandro Martinez plays with Matthijs de Ligt in central defence. Bruno Fernandes plays with Casemiro in the centre of the pitch.
Big moment here.
Terrific defending.
There we go.
How to get a block in.
Mbeumo. Šeško.
Mbeumo odbučne, Mbeumo odbuš.
It leads an accurate cross. Could be threatening.
Арай хөвчлээ шүү.
Casemiro failed to hang on to it. And the last match for Manchester United was a success story as they won against Crystal Palace.
No worry.
Expect this time around, Stuart.
Yes,
Тоглолтыг үдирдэх хэрэгтэй.
They certainly controlled most of the possession. Today will be more of a struggle. If they defend well, I think they get a draw out of this game.
Casemiro.
Go on Mbeumo. Яасл. Энзээ авч ин да манай Mbeumoч.
Well, it's such an eye-catching
Eh,
series of passes.
Куня амдаа авсан.
Newcastle
Well done.
able to hang on to the ball.
Лот.
To the middle. Who's going to win this joust?
Куня.
Far from the ideal.
Сешко.
And the goalkeeper had it all the way.
За 10 minute positionтэй тоглолоо ямар ч байсан. Keep on going, lads.
Well, you never quite know who's going to dominate a game in advance, but I think you can maybe make an argument for this fellow, Stuart. What do you think we'll see from him today?
Anthony Gordon.
And isolates defenders in 1v1
So-
situations. His pace will cause
Maino is better in center mid. Well done, Maino. Mbeumo жигүүрт бас хөөрхөн гүйж ин даа нэр. Энэ жилийн угаасаа шилдэг сайнинг United шилдэг тоглож байгаад байгаа юм.
Certainly good reading of the
Fuck.
game.
Come on, Yoro.
Right, Alex, it's over to you because
Mbeumo.
there's been a goal
Beauty.
in the stadium.
Mbeumo.
The free kick was well executed, but it had a big deflection and it's gone in off the wall.
You go on, lad. Go on, Mbeumo.
Many thanks as ever, Alex.
Emery man, Mbeumo.
Mateus Cunha.
Ah,
Defensive Brazilians to
Cunha,
shut them down.
better passes, please, Cunha.
Yohan Wissa.
Oh. Ah, Yara gets in. Well done, Yara. Beauty. Come on, Seshko. Keep the fucking ball, man. Get on your feet. There you go.
As he runs at them.
Yara magic. Well done.
Piece of defending.
Oh my God. What Bruno do, huh? That's Bruno Fernandes. Utsquerach. Yes.
It might be able to cash in. Big chance.
And the goal! Yes! Good tune! Good tune!
Audacious and outrageous.
Come on!
What a goal it was.
Oh yeah,
One that
I feel you, lad.
all of us will
With
appreciate.
Midderchin.
A goal to get
Yes.
the blood flowing.
Well, he's hit this so well on the half.
Cunha goidsin then dalot. Ma.
Generate.
Banger.
It's a wonderful goal.
Fucking hell.
Unstoppable. Brilliant stuff.
Brilliant stuff. Oh yes, buddy. There we go. Okay.
Newcastle United get the ball.
Арай ярих болж гэж байна да St James Park.
Trippier.
More passion, lads, more passion. Fight for the badge. Fight for the team. Fuck off to Italy. Ah,
Released it nicely.
come on. Cunha. Mbuemo.
Now options are plenty.
Maino.
Fernandes. Threading it.
Mbuemo. Whoa. Okay, guys. Yes. More. Ruben looking fantastic.
Now sending it in.
Seshko. Ah.
Thinking from the keeper, who was off his line early. Well, something has happened at one of the other venues. Let's get the up-to-date news from Alex.
Yes, it was a penalty for Leeds, but he's going to be devastated because it hit the post and went out of play.
Oh.
A minute could be in here.
Oh no. De Ligt. Matthäus De Ligt.
Well, here we can see it again. He does so well to skip beyond the defender.
It's De Ligt.
Bit of time to get his shot away. That's a really nice
It's
goal.
okay. It's okay. We go again.
Following the goal.
And we go better.
Casemiro. Šeško.
We're controlling the wing and the center. Come on.
Losing the ball there.
Well, that's how to defend the edge of the box.
Anthony Elanga.
Yes. Fucking Ilanga. Shut up. No way. Beauty. There it is.
Diogo Dalot.
Ah,
Given away by Manchester United.
come on. Yara's absolute monster today. No! Fuck.
Trippier. Elanga. Showing a great defensive.
Dada, well done. Beautiful. Bruno Fernandes.
Outrageously skillful.
What happened to Ligt? My God.
Sandro Tonali.
Oh no! Yeah. Ямарай орогддог шүү дээ. The Ligt, mate. Okay, we need to go a little bit back. Uh-huh. Martinez. За Yara жигүүртэр. Okay. Yes, adjust. Mount, what do you want, mate? Not delete юм аа. Mbeumo kept it inside. Well done, Mbeumo. Okay.
Mateus Cunha.
Cunha. Maino holding.
Committed challenge. Well,
Faster.
stoppage time situation. 1 minute here.
Алдаагаа зассаа.
That's a nice ball.
Ref, don't blow. Ref. Oh,
Well, the first
come on.
referee has been written
Ref.
at half-time here at St James's.
No way. No way.
But he's been the standout for his side so far.
No way, ref. Yours alright. Casey is a little bit. Cunha Jugurt Mbeumo Seshko. White playmaker holding. Deep lying playmaker now. Oh shit. Намайно энэ талтай арай дээр байдаг юм аа. Holding. Bruno half not build up. Poacher. Okay, it's 1-1. Come on, boys.
So even Steven going into the second half of this one. And defending as a unit. Anthony Elanga. Tonali with it. Can they jump ahead?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Well, it was a good-looking sequence, but it comes to an end. Well, that one has promise. Oh, that's a really good run. Well, he knows what he's doing
Elanga.
defensively.
Yeah, right.
Still play for us.
Good defending.
United could be onto something. Nice looking pass.
Mm.
Safe pair of hands, did his job. Guimaraes. Well, transfer speculation is all part of football, and there's been quite a lot of speculation on this front, but the deal has now been confirmed, Stuart.
Well, certainly a lot of focus on the boy over the last year or two, and he seems to have a bright future ahead of him. Hopefully it turns out to be a good move and he can continue to develop his career.
Come on, Shaw. Go on, Lucas Shaw. Go on, Cunha. Hey!
This is the home of live football, EA TV, and we'll have live coverage of the fifth round of the FA Cup. It's Newcastle United taking on Leeds United.
Well, we're down to the last 16 now, so plenty to play for.
Oh no,
In what will
Jorg.
be a tough encounter.
So a half an hour remaining. Well, spot-
Далот amazing. Өнөөдөр далотын өдөр байна айлтч. Майно жоохон суучлаа. За Бруно зүгээртэй гарч үзэх үү дээ. Seshko Mendes, Seshko. I don't wanna do this. Harry fucking Maguire. Тэгж болох юм те. Майно суугаад доргоо буруулаад. За тэгээ 2 сая бодчоо Xerxes Mount or Xerxes Maguire.
Challenge. Here's a change for Manchester United. And into the last 30 minutes.
Benda. Yes, Bruno, of course, Bruno.
In the lead again.
Yes.
Well deserved.
Come on, Bruno, back in form. Bruno's back in form. Amazing.
Well, as you can see, the weight of the through ball
What are
is
we
in
watching
his
here?
goal. And in the 1v1
Why are we watching Martinez?
He never really looked like missing, did he? What a goal that is.
Yes, Harry's happy. Come on, lads.
So the ball is rolling again. 2-1 the scoreline. Guimaraes. Very alert defending to put a stop to the chance. It's a fine United move.
Cunha.
Could be.
Cunha. Oh.
Hiding from the fact that they really should have extended their lead.
Well, that was a poor miss. Could they come to regret that?
Give everything, lads.
Well, I'm hearing there's been a goal in the Leeds game.
Now give nothing. Take everything.
It's a goal for Leeds. It's all even Stevens at 1-1 with 67 minutes played.
Thanks as always, Alex.
Lucas Shaw, well done. Fantastic job. Bruno in tight space. Well done, Bruno. Dallo, absolutely great
Cunha.
match today.
Vermo.
Select Chishti, of course. Ah, it's a corner.
Selection means a corner.
Yeah, Mino, you did well. Okay, first time was good. First half was good. It's fucking Maguire time. Let's go. Zirkzee.
Well, they've been getting the substitute ready, and now they will make the personnel change.
Go on, Harry. Where are you, Harry? That's right there. Helt done that. Find Harry.
And there's the delivery.
Ah. My God.
Well, delighted to say, more Premier League action coming up for you here on EA TV. It's Manchester United facing Aston Villa. Joe Willock. Moving it nicely in search of a leveller. And Newcastle with the ball again. And really it had to be further away from the keeper. Oh, the keeper
Wee,
needs to do a
what
little
happened?
better.
What the hell?
Fine save
Oh
to
my
save
God.
the lead, and it looked as though the mistake would be costly.
That could
What the hell? Okay, Maguire. Seško, bomo Zirkzee. Oh no. What the hell am I doing?
so easy to be the equal.
Alright, come on lads, mix up. Harry, move up.
And easily intercepted.
Xerxes, my God.
Just saw what was coming, didn't he?
Well, it looks like there's been a goal at the Etihad. Over to Alex for the details.
And it's the second goal for Manchester City. It was a volley that was mishit. It totally
Xerxes, my God.
including the goalkeeper. They're ahead by 2 now with 77 minutes played.
No, absolute. No.
Oh no, what a chance this is!
Well done, well done. There we go. Calm down, guys, calm down. Xerxes, блядь.
Sometimes when exciting
Do better, man.
we have to cut her off. We don't do it too often, of course. Just to confirm, Manchester City did find the net in that match, and the lead as things stand is 2-0.
За Хари Xerxes зүгээр хоёр алхдаг хүн оруулаад ирсэн байна. No way.
Offside.
That's offside.
Now they're going to alter things. Here's the substitution.
Come on, lads. Энэний төлөө л бид ирсэн шүү дээ.
Maguire.
Come on, Maguire.
Bruno Fernandes has it. Frustration growing. Can't get the ball.
Yeah, they're in total control here.
Well, with the minutes ticking away, United on
Buemo, nice.
recording a victory in this
Nice.
one. Your assessment of their performance.
Go.
Well, it's been a really good contest, you have to say.
Wow,
Overall,
good shit,
I think
wow.
they just about deserve to be in the lead here. Can they now just see this game through for what will be an excellent win?
Well, a goal to update you on in the Brighton game.
There you go. No.
Yeah,
Sorry to jump in.
Offside.
Could be on for them here. Now opening things up.
Harry, goddammit. Oh no. Yeah. Get up. Ooh. So lucky. Oh my God. Unbelievable. Yo. God damn it. Wow.
Through that moment.
Yeah, that should
Wow.
really have been the equaliser there.
Statsтэй л данер. Oh my God, Dorgo. No.
Now what can they do with the ball?
Come on, Harry.
Free to run. Oh, great vision.
Okay, that's better.
To absolutely nothing.
There we go. We finish this with a banger. Go Xerxes. My God, why is he not running?
And taking it without any trouble at all.
Ref.
And there it is. The
Oh, we did it.
victory for Manchester United.
Yes.
Yeah, there wasn't much in it, to be honest. Really competitive game with chances at both ends. They probably just about ended it over.
Go on,
and
Eddie.
deserved the result in the end.
Oh my God.
Well, Bruno Fernandes serving his
Absolute
team
horror
well.
substitutes.
Sum up his
Үнэхээр
contribution.
муу сэлгэнүүд боллоо.
Good performance.
Xerxes бас.
Critical goal to give them the
Оо,
lead.
үнэхээр алхачээд л юм маань.
Movement today.
Well done, lads. Well done. There we go. Arsenal draw. Oh. Office. We're fourth. Come on. We're fourth. We're about above Chelsea. Тэгээ City байна, тэгээ Arsenal байна. За болж шүү. Дөрвөлөөгөө орч чадлаа. 2 онооны зөрүүтэй болсон. Одоо City-тэй бол Arsenal 2-той бол наач хэцүү л болчлаа. Хожигдохгүй л байгаа хэрэгтэй. Хамгийн гол нь л тэр. Aston Villa. Ихтэй хангалттай хугацааны дараа тоглож байгаа болохоор манайх ямар нэгэн Европын тоглолт, юуны тоглолт байхгүй болохоор бүх тоглогчдод ашиглаж чадхаар болж байна. Euro дэшилсэн байна. Wide back. За sprint speed, acceleration, agility, short pass. За энэ үзүүлэлтүүдэд сайжирсан байна. Well done Euro. Түрүүчийн тоглолтны эхний үе дээр Newcastle эсрэг угаасаа харагцсан Euro бол үнэхээр өөрийгөө харуулж тоглож чадлаа. Euro бол бас beast байж чаднаа гэдэг нь бол харагдаж байна. За делихт дээр жоох алдаатай эхэлсэн. Энэ удаад ихгүй байх гэж найдаж байна. Defensive deep. Target forward. За хамаад бол шууд бэлэн байгаа юм байна. Сэшкос хэрэгтэй байна. Маунтер тоглоно. Okay, Old Trafford again.
A manager who has made them very difficult to beat here on their own patch. But today represents a tough test. Can they hold on to this run, or will it be the day when it all comes crashing down? Well, it's a beautiful day for football. No complaints whatsoever on that front here at Old Trafford.
Aston Villa.
I'm Derek Ray, and my commentary partner, as always, is Stuart Robson.
McGinn.
I'm very much looking forward to
Kenneth McGinn.
the Premier League. It's Manchester United up against Aston Villa.
Okay, Villa бол бас төлөвлөгөөнтэй баг биш үү?
And we've got two teams who like to play good football. Let's hope we get a good game here. It should be.
The initial 11 today for the hosts.
Well, it's certainly a back four, but I think we'll see a lot of rotation in midfield. They just need to have a good understanding about when to support the front player and when to drop that little bit deeper. It certainly looks like a 4-5-1 to me.
Here's how the lineup looks for Aston Villa. Tyrone Mings plays alongside Pau Torres.
Villa хөдөлгөөнтэй байна. Шал өөр биш.
Today is Ollie Watkins.
Newcastle-аас бараг илүү юм шиг санагдаж байна.
Well, Manchester United impressed in the last game, winning against Newcastle United. How might this one go, Stuart?
Well, they had to dig in deep, that's for sure, against strong opponents. I think they have to be favourites for the 3 points again today. They have far too much quality in their squad.
Well, it's such an important phase of the season, and right now, take your pick in terms of who's going to win the title.
Well, it's certainly going to be exciting, isn't it?
We're Man United and we're never gonna stop.
Some of the football we've seen has been absolutely exceptional.
All right, somebody, please. My God.
Could be dangerous.
Well done, my God, Mazraoui. Уул амар авч гарлаа шүү дээ.
Chance here.
Ligt. Matthäus de Ligt, please keep the ball in your.
Fernandes. And Mount. Well, Casemiro has featured on the back pages of many a newspaper in recent days. If reports are to be believed,
That was
this could
Cunha.
be his final season. Could have
Bruno!
been what he's about.
This won't do. This will not do. Эндээсээ тоглогчоо сольж болтгол баймаар байгаа юм да. Ер нь болох гол юм. Сэшко. Same, huh? За Маунтер. Bruno Holt. За нэг жоох ингэж үзнэ.
It happens to everybody at some point. The body just can't cope anymore. And that's probably the case here, because when he plays, he still has a big impact on this team.
Lamare Bogarde. On to McGinn.
McGinn,
Madsen.
Madsen.
How can they open up the defence here? Elliott.
Let them have the ball. My.
Konsa.
Yes.
Must take the lead here.
Well done,
Shot to
Altay.
begin with.
Well done, Altay.
Well, they can keep possession of it now.
Well, Villa are certainly creating some good chances here. Wonderful save, though, by the keeper.
Go on, Seshko. Emergency. Wing play, counter attack. Come on, lads. Харам бол гэдэг тактик бол байхгүй юм байна ямар ч байсан. Next FIFA дээр бол орж ирэх байлгүй.
Bogarde. Boubacar Kamara.
Ollie Watkins. Come on, get in.
Esri Konsa.
Watkins, watch out for Watkins. Watch for him, lads.
Attacking with vigour.
Амар их бөмбөг эзэмшдэг гарууд бай. Ай.
Perhaps
No.
now. And it should have been the first goal of the game.
Well, I can't believe that has been
Bogart.
squandered. That should have been the opener.
So we'll see what happens. Come on, lads.
Casemiro. Now De Ligt. Fernandes.
They're better team this half. For sure. Нүдэр үл илүү өнөө ялцчих. Wow. Wow, what a pass mount. There we go.
Defensive
No.
play to be applauded.
Well, that was how to defend the edge of the box.
Well done, Kazi.
Certainly not alone.
Of course. Wow. Дахиад үзих сарай явуулж.
Completely hit.
Харилцааг явуулах мөр юм байна да.
Casemiro.
Байна да. No.
Defensively.
Go on. Counter-attacking is working.
And
Go,
possibly
Cunha.
here.
In and yes. Yes. Mateus Cunha. Finally Cunha got. Good to see. Scores only when it matters.
But he still had some work to do, and I think that's
Where did that come from?
never in doubt.
Yes. Okay.
And the
Now
ball
focus.
moving
We're
again.
doing better.
Of response will
Арай илүү болж байна. Ямар ч байсан. Тактикод нэлээд өөрчлөлөө. Виллатай бол шал өөр тоглох хэрэгтэй гэдгийг мэдчихсэн.
challenge.
Ингэж л тоглох хэрэгтэй юм шиг байна да.
Bruno Fernandes.
Bit of luck. Oh, no, алцлаа гэж бодлоо ш. Oh my god, yeah.
To be a big miss.
Арай их тарцлаа. No. Тэглөө шүү. Yuri Tillemans, not very happy.
Ian Maatsen. Now with Bogarde. Ollie Watkins.
Их муугаа гарлаа да.
Just needs to fit.
Yeah. I said watch for Watkins.
And they weren't behind for long.
Who's this? Lucas Podolski.
Well, let's look at this again. The 1 and 2 touch passing is absolutely outstanding to play around the pressure, and his movement's so clever.
Nice shot.
Once he gets onto it, there's only one thought in his head: smash it as hard
Why
as
are we watching
possible.
here?
What a good goal.
So underway again, following the goal that made things
FIFA
level.
script.
And we will have just one additional minute.
No.
And danger averted. Well read.
Oh, come on. Stop him already.
Konsa.
Ингэж болохгүй шүү дээ.
Bogarde. And so the first half story has been written.
Удаан байна. Назравын тоглох удаан байх хэрэгтэй. Галт, Делихт, Мартинез, Йоро. Маунтыг бол шууд авчлаа. Майно Бруно хоёр цог нэг л хойд
So the
тоглодог.
two teams have
There
switched
was-
around and the second half is underway.
That's it. Well
Casemiro.
done.
Mazraoui with it. Now Casemiro. Crossed into the penalty area.
Бомо.
Mistake from the keeper. That seemed to
Сурдун
find
шүү бомо. Ой, наа чи бас сурдун шүү guys. Энэ голоор яа.
clever defending.
Үе.
Well, this is certainly the home of live football, EA TV, and looking forward to bringing you more action from the Premier League.
Ah,
It's
where is
Manchester
the
United
ball?
facing Bournemouth. Maatsen. Harvey Elliott.
Нам.
Well, that's common sense
Damn
refereeing
it.
to play advantage. Oh, great vision. Well, the keeper ultimately resolved the situation. Benjamin
There we
Sheshko.
go.
News coming through from Selhurst Park. There's
Oh,
been a
no.
goal there, I think, Alex.
It's a goal for Leeds. They've scored the opener here for 53 minutes.
Seshko. Yes. Goal. No.
Switched off there. It was quite clearly going to be offside.
Come on. Come on, ref. It's offside.
Well, unfortunately, we had to interrupt Alex just then. For clarification, Leeds did score in that game, and they now hold
Embuemo.
the penalty here.
Ooh.
Oh, terrific save!
Сешко Эмбуэмо комбо болж байна. Nice. Мазрауи Казимиро болохгүй байна. Мазрауи Казимиро болохгүй байна. Энэ дээр тоглолттой хүн хэрэгтэй байна. I don't think it's Ugarte. Мазрауи. We'll see. We'll see. Let's try.
And United
Come
will
on.
turn things around personnel-wise. United looking to
Where are you, Seshko?
see if the corner helps them.
Oh, that's better.
Trying to pick out a teammate.
That's better.
Now opening things up.
Ah,
Changing
what
up.
was that? Oh yeah.
Maybe dangerous here.
Nice. Nobody was there.
30 minutes left for play.
Go on, Ahmad. Maybe Ahmad
I
is
think
the
most
answer.
fans would be pretty happy with this man's display so far.
Well, it was a vital goal and at a crucial time, you have to say. Certainly changes the complexion of the game now, but it's whether
Go
they
on.
can take the
Oh,
momentum
Amadou.
into the second half.
Okay.
They've struggled at times today.
They seem happy to weather the storm.
Oh,
They have to play higher up the pitch.
Maatsen
really?
now with Bogarde. Showing a good reading of the game.
That's it.
Has teammates.
Everybody's in.
Can
Everybody's in. Embuemo, of course. Yes. Get in. Yes.
Well, it's a very
Oh, come on again.
his movement was really
I want to see the goal.
good. A bit of space in the box.
Go, Darista. Ah, there you go. Embuemo. Beautiful. 66. Devils.
2-1 the current state of affairs.
Ahmad. Oh, too much.
Harvey Elliott. An exciting night in store, and we'll have you covered here on EA TV. They second.
What a chance.
Oh yeah. Yo. Altay, my God. Thank God for Altay. Ямар амархан гараад ирвэсэ.
Could be threatening.
Дайгаа нөө. За хамгаалт тэгэл. Хамгаалах хэрэгтэй болчлоо.
Now options are plenty. And that's tidy work to push it to
Йоо. Яг энэ байдал яг энэ чигээрээ хойшлох хэрэгтэй болчлоо л да харин бол. Энэ тав урдаа байх хэрэгтэй байна л да харин бол. Ингэж таваар нь л дэх үү. Counter attack deep. Гүн яг л авах юм байна л да. Алтч гол хийсэн л да. Ихтэл. Full back defend lads. Хоёр жигүүр defend. Dalot and Orgo. Go in defend. Хоёр тал. Yuri Tillemans.
He's driven in the corner.
Oh.
Hits it with the full force of his head, but over the top.
Сэшкогор амар бүгж хийлээ гэж бодсон даа түрүүч бол.
Fernandes. Just 15 minutes remaining. What to like about that pass? And a goal update
Well
to bring
done.
you in the Palace game. Let's join Alex Scott.
It's a goal for Leeds. The ball was pulled back from the goal line. He got over it well and was able to keep his shot down. It was a great goal. They're ahead by 2 now with 77 minutes played. That's probably the win wrapped up right there with that one, Derek.
Thanks as always, Alex. Can they set up a chance? Not forcing the issue. Great composure. And the keeper taking it cleanly.
These United fans are making so much noise here.
Beautiful.
The atmosphere is incredible.
Beautiful.
Surely this must be
Beautiful.
inspiring players to hang on.
Beautiful. Ханаас навч.
McGinn. Boubacar Kamara. Well, late in the game here, they know what they need, and that's an equaliser. Having a shoot. A tremendous block.
Go Ahmad, go Ahmad.
Boubacar Kamara.
Bruno, too much.
Tielemans. Elected to
Whoa. Ёо. Дарго.
survive that attack.
Юуладаг.
Oh, good run this. Now what can he do with it? That is a magnificent run.
Martinez. Martinez. Martinez.
Additional minutes. Bogarde. Here's Tielemans. Well, no time to waste. Can they find an equaliser?
Ёо ёо.
Stop.
Баян дээр бас
Making the substitution.
барихгүй шүү сүүлийн захил тэгэл. Цаг дууссан шүү дээ ref. What is this for? Ref.
And there it is. The full-time whistle
Wow.
for Manchester United.
Well, Derek,
We won again.
chances at both ends, but I feel
3 victories.
and they deserve their victory.
Good 3 victories. Амжилттай өнөөдрийн үед маш амжилттай байлаа. За удахгүй бүгдээрээ лайваар уулзуулнаа залуусаа лайв тоглолдог болно, чаттай болно,
Good performance and a really
ярьж тоглоно. За энэ 7 хоногт бол тодорхой уулзнаа.
his movement today.
За тийм болохоор өнөөдрийнхөө бичлэгийг ингээд энэ түргээд ерөнхийдөө өндөрлүүлээ. 3 гайхамшигтай хожлол авч ирлаа. За тэгээд тоо удахгүй уулзлаа баяртай залуусаа. Bye. GS United.